Today I'm gonna tell the story of my broken laptop. I'm gonna try and fix it. Hopefully. Also, it's Sunday, and Sunday is usually popcorn day. Because my mom goes to the Sunday fair every morning and brings back popcorn. I usually have a bag of popcorn almost every Sunday. Love this. So this is a 2013 MacBook Pro. It's my favorite computer. This is where I did most of my uni work, and it worked fine for like 2.5 years. I got this back in 2014. So after that, in 2016, like mid 2016, there was this SSD issue that was popping up. The drive was not like red and those didn't boot up. So then I did a very big mistake. I gave it to a third party guy who promised to solve this issue, and the guy basically screwed things up. He literally switched my motherboard to an older one which had less RAM, and he's been refusing to replace or fix it after that. I literally have a case open with the guy at the Consumer Authority, but as typical government organization, they've taken like 1.5 years and no resolution yet. They've freaking taken 7 months to prepare a damn letter. I'm really run out of patience, so yeah, I'm gonna fix this myself now. I'm gonna try and unscrew this and hopefully fix it. I really hope I don't mess this up, because I really love this laptop. Like, I've never done this before, so I'm just hoping for the best, really. This looks insane. I don't know what to do from here on. I think, yeah, this is the SSD. I think I need to. The SSD is out, so I'm just gonna like unplug and replug it and hope it works, but I'm pretty sure it won't. I'm just being hopeful. I'm gonna plug this in. Let's check it out. Yep, nope, still shit. I was hopeful for a minute there, but yeah, it's broken. I need to get another SSD, but now I'm confident that I can replace it. Alright, that's the end of the vlog. I was hoping, I was little hopeful that it'll end on a high, but it won't. Shit's broken. But I'm gonna go get a SSD tomorrow and try and fit it in and get it working, hopefully. So tomorrow I can fix this thing for good. Alright, see you guys tomorrow.